In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access database in Emergent AI. We'll be walking through the process directly from the Emergent AI dashboard. And the goal is to get into the browser-based code environment where you can view the raw backend code and schema configuration tied to your project. This is useful if you need to inspect how your database is structured or work more closely with the application setup behind the scenes. To begin, open the Emergent AI dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, locate the project you want to work with and open it from the web dashboard. Make sure you're entering the correct project before continuing, especially if you manage more than one, because the code environment you open will be specific to that project. After the project loads, you may see an active web preview frame on screen. Go ahead and close that preview. This helps clear the workspace so you can access the development tools more easily without the preview panel taking up space or distracting from the next step. With the preview closed, look for the code option in the interface and click it. This is the area that gives you access to the underlying project files rather than the visual preview of the app. When you select it, a pop-up will appear with access information for the coding environment. At this point, you'll see a unique platform URL along with a generated password. Copy both of these carefully. Since this password is sensitive, handle it securely and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. You'll need it immediately in the next step to enter the online coding interface. Now open a new browser tab, paste in the platform URL, and load the page. When prompted, enter the generated password to continue. After you submit it, the embedded browser-based VS Code interface will launch. This online environment contains your application's raw backend code as well as its schema configurations, which is where you can begin exploring the database related setup for the project. Once you're inside, take a moment to let the interface fully load, especially if the project is large. From there, you can navigate the code base and review the files connected to your backend and database structure. If your goal is to access database definitions, schema files are typically the most relevant place to start. That's the process for accessing the database environment in Emergent AI through the built-in code interface. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to move from the dashboard into the project's backend workspace smoothly.